Hello everyone, this is a requested video. You asked me, so here it is. I have showed you here in another video these boxes that I made for my friends, for them to put these little notebooks inside, you know, the Dollar Tree ones, like this one here. It fits perfectly. You can fit 2 or 3 of, if you add a pen, then it will take much more space, but you can add 2 or 3 and it fits. Let me get this beautiful bookmark out of the way. So let me just see if it fits 3. I do think it does. Yep, you can fit 3. So great for craft fairs, great for gifting for Christmas. And you asked me to show you how to make this box, so that's what we're doing today. It's a self-closing box, just 1 sheet of paper. You can add a belly band. The one we're making together is this one here. I didn't make a belly band for it because I think the paper is amazing and I don't want to hide it. So that's the one we are making today, okay? Easy, great for mass producing, and wonderful for craft fairs. So let's learn how to make these boxes. So all you need is a piece of paper that is 10 inches by 6.5. So 10 by 6.5, and we are going to score on the 6.5 size. We're going to score at 1 and 5.5. So 1 and 5.5. Then you're going to flip it, and we're going to score at 1, 4.5, 5.5, and 9. So we have our box ready to go. Now all we need to do is just burnish your folding lines. See how easy this is? It's a self-closing box, great size, and perfect for those little notebooks. So we have finished scoring, and all we need to do now, you have these scoring lines here, 4 on each side. So you're just going to cut on all of them, cut all of them. So here we're going to cut straight all the way up to this scoring line here. And then I just kind of help it by just cutting the sides a little bit at an angle. Makes it easier to glue. So that's what you're gonna have, 2, 3 flaps here, and we're going to do the same on the other side. So we have all the flaps here, and here's the important thing. I know that this I want to be the front, so it's the part that opens. So you decide whichever side is your front, and what you're gonna do is you're going to make a full box on the other side. Basically what I'm saying is you are going to glue like this the whole thing. You're gonna make a full box like that on this side, and here we're just gonna glue these 2 flaps because that's gonna close in, okay? That's gonna make sense, don't worry. So basically we are going to just glue here. The full box will be the base. So 1, here we're gonna put some glue right on the edge here. Flip it. See, we're gonna glue this side. We want a full box at the bottom, and the lid will close in, okay? So again, we're going to do the same thing here. I'm gonna put some glue. Here for the box, make sure that it's all straight here. So we're gonna use our bone folder a little bit. Last one is this. So let me just fold it in so you can see it better. There you go. So there you go, easy peasy guys, so easy to make this box. Great gift box for Christmas. And if you're going to make the little notebooks, don't forget to check the tutorial. I'll have the link below. So we have a full box, right? And here, all we need to do is just glue this part here. And this paper is kind of perfect, isn't it? Because look, we have the deer right there, and then the house on the top. Oh my gosh, this paper, I know you want to know what it is. It's, sorry to say, it's Park Lane. It's an old one. It's actually not old, it's from 2014, so last year, but from Joann's. So, needless to say, I actually checked online, guys, to see if I could find it for you. But you only find it on like eBay and stuff. Unfortunately, I would think that Park Lane would have like a website, but no, I think it was really Joann's brand. So that's sad. Anyway, so that's what we have. We are going to close our box like this. It's perfect. Look at this. How amazing is that? This paper is magnificent. Look at this. Don't have to add anything. The other ones, what I did to the other ones that I showed you before was I added a belly band. You don't have to. It closes in like this, so you don't have to add anything. But sometimes, see these flaps here, they kind of open a little bit, so that's why I added the belly band. But just add a strip of paper that goes round, you glue it on the back, and you have a belly band. So really, not complicated at all. However, you know, however thick you want, you can either close like this or like that. But since this is the flap that opens, I would put it like this, like I did on these ones. See? But this one I'm not going to, because I love the paper and I think it's perfect. And like I said, oh, the last thing I'm gonna do, and I'm glad I can show you. You don't have to, but I have a 1-inch punch that I'm going to just cut, because it does make it easier to open like this. So if you have the punch, do that. You don't have to, like these ones I did, you don't have to. So that's our tutorial for today, an absolute request from you guys. Lots of you left comments. Not only that, but you sent me emails. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed it. And just to remind you what these are for, I'm gonna put one of these inside. And there you go. Perfect. Thank you so much, guys, and you have a wonderful day.